Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's me, Ori, and you are watching Ori and Wild. So, we are at Chandu today. Chandu is located at the outskirts of Gurgaon, and we are here for birding for our weekend birding session. And so a lot of birds are here today. So, we are just entering the primary habitat of Chandu, and we can already hear a lot of munias, red munias as well. So, we'll try to film them. And in front of me there are some baya weavers as well. So this is the habitat. So it's mid-September and the winter migrants have already arrived. Some of them, not all of them, have already arrived. So let's see what all birds we can spot today. We noticed a big mixed flock of munias in the nearby grass. This mixed flock had both silver bills as well as red munias. They were so busy enjoying their breakfast that they were not bothered by my presence. After my encounter with the munias, we started to head towards the primary habitat of Chandu, where most of the waterfowls as well as the waders are seen. On our way, we came across a beautiful crested lark on the road itself. I lied down and went to the ground level with the bird and enjoyed its behavior thoroughly. Since apart from the lark there was not much activity near the agricultural area, we went quickly to the wetland area in order to look for the water birds. The massive electrical poles provide perfect perch for the raptors as well. Hence, while crossing the habitat, I was paying proper attention for any potential good raptor sighting. Though we could not see any good raptors apart from the normal black kites, we came across a pair of greater flamingos foraging nearby. Though flamingos are very common in this area of Chandu, it is always a pleasure to watch their behavior. After filming the flamingos, I noticed a beautiful little small pratin coal sitting peacefully beside the road. So we are now at the wetland part and we got to see some waders. Unfortunately a bike came and the waders got scared and they flew off, but we were lucky to get the time to film the small pratin coals. They are absolutely pretty and very cute looking birds. So yeah, I'll just wait here a couple of minutes and see if the waders come back and settle in again. Then that would be good. I can then again take shots and film them. Now I like birding in these type of habitats, to be very honest. The saddest part is that nobody cares about these type of habitats. There is almost like zero conservation efforts, you can say, around this area at least, to preserve all these wetlands around Gurgaon. So if you look around, all you can see, I don't know if my camera is picking up, but all you can see at the distance is just tall buildings of Gurgaon. So this Chandu is like a small pocket for the winter migrants to settle in, but I don't think it's going to last for long. So that's the saddest part. So I'm just enjoying while it's still there and hosting all these beautiful species. So anyways, let's see what all birds we can spot today. And if we don't see too many raptors here, because I'm really looking for raptors today, if we don't see too many raptors, we might move towards the Jhanjrola area, which is another habitat at the outskirts of Gurgaon itself. So we might go there as well. So let's see. As the flock of waders did not came back to settle in, we decided to move further down the road and look for other birds. We noticed some beautiful painted stork foraging. We stopped our car to film them. Though they are very common bird around Delhi NCR, they are always a treat for the eyes. We also came across a beautiful Jacobin cuckoo, also known as the pied cuckoo, perched. As there was not much bird activity apart from the birds that we had filmed, we decided to head back home. But surprisingly, after we left the habitat and reached the main highway, we came across some beautiful martins. And with that sighting, we concluded our weekend birding. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.